The screen recording will also record system sounds of the phone. Take a photo, and this shutter sound should have been recorded into the screen recording. Hi there, and welcome to Tapflower. You might have seen in some of my videos and in videos by others that they are recording what is happening on their screen, on their iPhone. But how do they do that? And how do I do it? Well, it's actually quite simple. So on the iPhone screen, I'll bring the phone closer, so hopefully you can see it. I'll drag down here, and here we have the control center. And one of the options in the control center is screen recording. So I simply press that, and it starts at countdown from 3, 2, 1, and now it's recording. So now I will include this screen recording on the screen while I show you. So now you see that the button I pressed has a red dot in it, and that means that I'm screen recording. And you also see on the top of the screen the red dot, also indicating that I'm screen recording. So I can go out to the control center and I can show whatever I want on the screen. The screen recording will also record system sounds of the phone. So if you open the camera app and take a photo, you should hear the camera shutter sound, but of course, since I have my phone on silent, you won't hear it. So let's try that again. Take a photo, and this shutter sound should have been recorded into the screen recording. So now, to end the screen recording, you simply do the same thing, drag down to get the control center, and click the screen recording button. When the screen recording has been saved, you will get a notification on the screen, and you can simply click it and it will direct you to the screen recording you just did. So it's as simple as that. So dragging down to get the control center, click the record button, wait for the countdown to finish, the screen recording starts. You can do whatever on the screen that you want to show. Then to stop it, you simply drag down the control center again and click the same button, and the screen recording will stop, and you get a notification that the screen recording has been finished, and you can watch the screen recording in the Photos app. If you don't see the screen recording button in the control center, you might need to go to your settings and control center and add that control to the control center. So it was as simple as that. Many things are quite simple, but of course, in order to use them, you have to know how to. So this was how to use the screen recording functionality on the iPhone. I really hope you liked this video, and maybe it was also helpful and you can use the screen recording functionality yourself. And if you like the content of my channel, please consider subscribing, because it really helps my channel grow. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.